Good morning, ladies. So today we're going to be doing a new CGI story problem. I've already gone ahead and done this just so it was easier for me, but I'm still going to go through it. So here's our problem for today. John has 253 marbles. Connor has 89 red and 78 purple marbles. How many more marbles does John have than Connor? So I went and I circled all my important numbers. I have 3 of them. I went and I underlined the question, how many more marbles does John have than Connor? And I went and I boxed in my important words. I know John has this many marbles, and Connor has this and this many marbles. I'm looking for how many more than, okay? So go ahead and pause this video and go ahead and solve, showing me 2 ways. Make sure you have a line down your paper. Go ahead and get started. Unpause when you're done. All right, if you're back, that must mean that you are done and you have an answer. So let's go and see. If I see that John has 253, this is how much John has. I want to know the total amount that Connor has, so I need to add those together because this and means to add. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add 89 plus 78 to get the amount that Connor has. So 89 plus 78, 9 plus 8, 17, carry the 1, 8 plus 7 plus 1, 16. So now I know that Connor has 167 marbles. I don't want to know that though. That's not my question. My question is how many more does John have than Connor? So John has 253, but Connor only has 167. So what operation do I need to do in order to find out how many more are here than here? I need to subtract. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do 253 minus 167. I can't do 3 minus 7, so I need to borrow from this, make that a 4. This becomes a 13. 13 minus 7. That gives me 6. 4 minus 6 can't do that, so I have to borrow again. That becomes a 1. This becomes a 14. 14 minus 6. 8. And then 1 minus 1, 0. So I know that John has 86 more marbles than Connor. So that is my answer, 86 marbles. And my sentence would say, John has 86 more marbles than Connor. Now I'm going to show you one more way that you could have done this. Okay, so another way that you could have done this is by drawing out with your tables. So if I want to start off, I want to know how many Connor has in total. He has 89 and 78, so I need to figure out the total of that. So I would make a tens and a ones chart because there's no hundreds there so far. And I would put 89, so it's going to be 8 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9 ones, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 78, so another 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to count those up, okay? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those 10 right there make up 100 because 10 tens is 100. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 others, that's 50. So this is 150 over here. Then over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I have 17 ones, so I add those together. 150 plus 17 would give me 167. So that's how many Connor has. But again, I'm still trying to figure out how many more John has than Connor. So I'm going to make another one with John's, 253. So this is going to be a bigger one because it has all the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. I'm going to put in his 253. So 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to subtract or take away 167 of Connors to see how many more John still has left over. So I need to do 167. So I can take 100 away. That's gone. So now I need to take 67 away. So I just took 100 away. I need to take 60 and 7 away. 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have enough tens to take away 60. So I need to borrow from over here. So I'm going to take this 100. I'm going to scoot it over here and make it 10 tens because 10 tens still equals that 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that 100's gone because I've used it over here. So now I can take away 60, or 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I need to finish and take away 7 from the ones, but I don't have enough. So similar to what we just did, I'm going to take one of the 10s and make it 10 ones instead. So I'm just going to take this little one here, scoot it over here, and that's going to become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's 10 ones. So that little guy is gone. And now I can get rid of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I can see how many are still left over, which is how many John still has, so how much more he has. So let's start with the 10s. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, which makes that 80 and 6, so 86. So he has 86 more marbles, which is exactly what I said over here. So this is the whole thing for you to see. Excellent job, ladies. Make sure that you go over and check out the other videos. Go on to Zearn, go on to Newsy LA, and have a fabulous, fabulous day. Bye.